In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an API key on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Managing API keys is extremely important when you're working on projects, especially when they are shared publicly, like on GitHub. Exposing your API keys could lead to unauthorized access, and we certainly don't want that. So let's dive into the steps you need to take to keep your API keys safe in your GitHub repositories. First, the very first thing you need to do is log into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific repository where you want to store your API key safely. This is crucial because each repository has its individual settings regarding secrets and key management. Now, once you are in the repository, you'll want to focus on the navigation bar located at the top of the page. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This section gives you access to various configurations and features related to your repository. After you've clicked on Settings, scroll down on the left sidebar until you find the section labeled Secrets and Variables. This can sometimes be a bit tricky to find, but it's there. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Actions. This is where you can manage secrets related to GitHub Actions, which typically include API keys. Next, you will see the option for New Repository Secret. Go ahead and click on that. Here's where the actual magic happens. You'll be presented with fields to fill out. First, give your secret a name. This should be something that represents what the API key is for, but make sure you don't include any sensitive information in the name itself. After you've done that, you'll need to securely enter your API key in the designated field labeled Secret. Make sure you copy and paste the API key you want to store, ensuring that there are no extra spaces or characters accidentally included. Once you've filled in both fields, name and secret, take a moment to double-check everything. It's essential to ensure that you've entered the details accurately. After you've confirmed that everything looks good, go ahead and click on the button that says Add Secret. And just like that, you have successfully added your API key as a secret in your GitHub repository. Congratulations! Your key is now safely stored and won't be visible in your code or to the public. As a best practice, always remember to treat your API keys like passwords. Never hard-code them directly into your source code, especially if the code will be shared. Using secrets is a secure way to manage sensitive information while allowing your applications to function properly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to hide your API key on GitHub. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.